I'm making fairy floss. Out of anything, we could sell it for everybody.
Wow, that's not the description I'd use. Hi, welcome to Pearl's Basic Cooking Show. This is Tristan, I am Pearl, and today we are making
It's Uncle Sam as well.
Yeah, that's Uncle Sam.
I know it's so delicious because we have to make some. If we don't make some, that's it. No more sweets for us. If we do make some, we have a lot of sweets to do. Right, Pearl? Your turn.
Yeah, so what you'll need to make fairy floss is sugar, some sticks, make sure that they're not sticks from the garden, and flavoring. So do you want to explain what we do next?
What are we doing now, Tristan? Putting it in?
Are we putting this in?
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to put this in the sugar. We can film that. And not too much.
And what should we do now?
And now, for the second step, you stir it all around. You want to have a go at it?
Tristan has just tasted some of this and it's so condensed. Tasted terrible. Oh my goodness. It's spilling everywhere. This is what happens when you have cousins and baby brother. And my baby brother's downstairs and the machine is on. It's warming up. We're getting there. Better than last time. This has also been 1 year since the last episode. Isn't that crazy? Thank you for being with us. It was really cool. Yeah, that's enough of that. Bye. Okay.
We're ready now. Ready for the final episode?
We already made
This
one.
isn't the final episode.
Okay. Is it playing? Is it recording?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get ready to go down and make some stuff the kids like.
Yeah. We're going up making fairy floss.
I'm going down there.
I'm going down this way.
Yeah, we're going down this way. Okay, we're taking the stuff. You will also need this sticks. Yeah.
This is the cotton candy. It's made of the stuffed, and when you try to taste it, it's not too soft. And when you taste it, it's so sweet, like sugar. Okay, and when it's daytime, you can have a little bite of it. Bye bye.
Now you can eat it.
Yay!
That's like a dragging hole. See, it's like you've had to.